Some homes feel comfortable the moment you walk into them, and this is one of them. Built in 2021, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just over 2,500 square feet of living space. Smart home features control the front door locks, air conditioning, and appliances, all from your phone. The screen patio overlooks a pond and is equipped with a built-in bar with gas grill and refrigerator, making it a comfortable space to relax or entertain. Located in the gated Antilles community, residents enjoy resort-style amenities including a clubhouse, pool, fitness center, and more. If you're looking for a home that fits your life now or later on, this one's worth a look.